So we have really renewed and renovated our offering in the market to bring all these services. So now we've done all that. So what's next? So we need to enhance and bring more features and more experience to the users that they have invested in these smartphone devices there. So this is what we have, what are we doing, what we call in the taking the BlackBerry 7 to the next level, which is introducing more experience services with that. So what we are introducing with the 7.1, we're introducing many features. Just to name the top ones on that, the BlackBerry tag. So it allows users to connect with the world. So NFC, it is a technology, so we bring in the future into your hands today by utilizing that experience. So think about the mobile payments. Think about that you are going somewhere. So if most of you like me have credit cards, insurance card, the e-gate, what have you. How good it is to really integrate all this into your device, and then you only use your device to be able to kind of make your payments, access your health insurance card, to be able to go in and out from the airport with this type of information. So this is where really the future is. As well, many of the companies utilize security to access to the buildings. So this becomes your identity to tap, let's say, for example, to associate that with fingerprint or whatever, with your phone to be accessed the building. So this is the future. So let me, before I move to more details on that. So as well, we have the mobile hotspot. So now we're introducing this technology in 7.1. So you have a device where you have up to 5 devices or up to 5 connections via Wi-Fi to be able to use that same Wi-Fi on that stuff. And as well, the mobile media server that allows to upload and share your videos, your pictures for people to download and have them reside in there, and among many of the other services there. So this is the NFC. So what that lets you do, I'm going to kind of show you some few examples of what it does, just kind of like illustration with that. So, okay, so it allows you to transfer actually between 2 devices, and actually it's not limited between the 2 BlackBerry devices. So we're actually opening what we call the APIs, make it available for developers to have access to other devices in the market, smartphone devices and that. But what you can do with that, you are able to transfer pictures, documents. You can actually transfer your BBM contact if you want to really add somebody to your BBM contact. It's a matter of a tag. So the mobile payment, like I said, as well for many other uses. For example, how many of you enjoy fast food? I'm not making advertising for that, but okay. So imagine you have a magnet in your refrigerator at home, and then this has programmed to have the, if you want to call one of these fast food places, all you have to do is tap to it, it'll call it for you. So I don't have this program, so I have this program to do something else, okay? So listen to this sound. Okay? So what it did here, so it did tell me here, I'll show you what it says, order food. So you can call in to order food with that, so if you want to. Or you can do another tag, for example, something programmed to do, for example, if you want to call the support line for the BlackBerry. So I'll call that for you. It says REM hotline, so you can call for support. So imagine the simplification of that. As well, let's say you are traveling somewhere. And so you have this tag posted at the airport somewhere, or what have you. So what you can do is tag to this kind of, so to kind of connect you to the website of the airport, and you can have all these access services, whether you want to call for valet parking, or you want to kind of check on flight information for your next flight, etc. So you can see really the features that it's unlimited to develop this type of really experience there. Aside from that, so you still have to, another tag. So you can have access, just between the devices, tagging them together to transfer data, simplify that. Transfer pictures, documents, BBM contact, etc. So that's as well, it's there. Okay, so what's the other feature I talked about? I talked about the the mobile hotspot, right? So you can see here there's an illustration there that, to allow you to share their 3G mobile data connection. So here's your connection, and so you have all these devices. Could be your laptop, your playbook, other devices, and to get access to the internet. You don't have to have 5 connections. You have 1 connection and goes through with that. So imagine you can build your own domain, your own small office to be able to deliver this type of experience there. Yet, as well, further is FM radio. FM radio is not in use, doesn't need a rocket scientist to add an FM radio. But we are introducing all these features to be integrated by part of the BlackBerry DNA solutions. So what does this mean here? So you are able to have an FM radio and connect to your BBM users to be able to view what radio station you're listening to, what you're interested in. So you can store some of these radio station. You can make comments, etc. So this is integrated within the solution. So we're offering this within the Curve family, the 9360, 9380, and in the future Curve family. So this will be supported there. BBM music. How many of you guys enjoy music and listening to music? Great. So I'm sure everybody does, right? Do you ever really wonder that what's your BBM contact listening to, what they're interested in? So what does this allow you? It enables you to be able to build this social hub of interest, of common interest within the BBM music. So you'll be able to really, if you allow the users or the people you contact in the BBM to access, you give them the permission, they'll be able to listen to your songs. So you have up to 50 songs with a certain fees you pay, and to select out of over 10 million songs. So you can tap, if you say if you have 10 BBM contact you have, I'm sure you have many more than that in your BBM contact, and if each has 50 songs, so you're able to listen to them. You'll be able to make comments on them. You'll be able to see what they're listening to, and if you're interested, you can listen to it as well. So this is as well services we had introduced in some countries already, United States, Canada, Australia, and we are planning to introduce this service as well, or this application in the Middle East this year. So we add in more to the value of the customers there. So we're not really, we're introducing more value and more services for them as well.